Hey, how you doing? So I thought I'd try something a little different. I'm gonna try making a ukulele. I've got this kit, ukulele kit. I've built cigar box guitars before. I've never built like a proper instrument, I guess you could say, for real guitar. So I thought I would start out with a kit. So this kit is from Stuart McDonald. And it's basically everything you need to build a soprano ukulele. It's got all the parts. It's got a solid mahogany top, a mahogany laminate back, sides that are already pre-formed. That would probably be the only hard part. If I want to do it myself, is how to do that, you know. All the braces. The neck is already made. Fretboard already has the markers and slots cut in it, and then just a bunch of braces and a big rubber band and hardware, and I'm gonna put it all together. And this isn't gonna just be one video. I'm gonna try one of these. I'm gonna try the whole put a video out as I progress thing. So if you like it, let me know in the comments. If you like this style, or if you just want me to finish the thing and put out one whole video, let me know. That would be good information for me to have to know how to grow my channel and such. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get some of the stuff out of the way that I don't need right now, like the tuning pegs and the strings. What I need to start out with is the body, the front and the back, the instructions, of course. And this template, it tells me how to put the thing together, or it tells me how to do the braces. So I got to cut this out. I have one of those mats somewhere that you cut things out on so you don't cut into your bench top. I don't know where it is. I also have a pair of scissors somewhere, but I can't find them anywhere. So we're just going to use the old X-Acto. So it tells me to cut out the plan on the dotted line. So I'll do that. So what we do is, this is the back, and it says to use a push pin to mark out your braces, but who needs a push pin when you have a Jimmy DiResta ice pick? Okay, so as you see, I've put blue tape around my pencil lines to kind of help me see where my clamps are going to go, or where my braces are going to go, and also to help keep glue squeeze out from getting all over the place. So let's get us some glue. Wish I had a smaller brush, but I don't. I have a tendency to overclamp things, so I have to be careful not to overclamp this, because it's not. Yeah, it doesn't need that much force. Okay, I went ahead and marked off and taped up the top. Because who wants to watch me draw? Nobody. And so now I'm just gonna glue it up. Glue up the top. Had a thought. What if I put the glue on the piece? And then drop it on the fucking